Hi all, welcome back to Odoo 17 development tutorials. In this video, let's discuss about security groups and access rates in Odoo 17. In Odoo, security groups and access rates are used to control user access to various modules and records within the system. Security groups allows us to group user based on their roles or responsibilities. Access rights control read, write, create, delete, and other actions for users within the system. Here I have created a module, education, and there is a menu, students. Inside the student menu, all student records are saved. Then the model is student.student, and I want to add the access, security access for this model, student.student. Let's check how to add that. Let's move to PyCharm. Set the PyCharm, the model student.student is defined inside the class student. And these all are the basic fields for that model. And then have created a new folder that is security. Inside the security, we can add the security access and security groups. So, this is the file ir.model.access.csv. Inside this file, we can give access for every model. So, in Odoo, from the settings, technical, we can see the menu access rates. So, inside the access rates, all access rates are saved. The model name is ir.model.access. So, these are the column names of the model ir.model.access. For every record here inside this file will be added in this model. So here the ID will be access student, and then this will be the name access.student.student, and the next one will be the model name model_student. That is the model underscore, and after that we can add our model name. Here the student_student. The dot is replaced by underscore. Then the next is we can add the group. Here you can see group ID. If we want to restrict any groups, or if we want to add only for a particular group to access this record, then we can add the ID of that group here. So here I don't want to restrict any groups, so I'm not added anything here. After that, you can see for one. So the first one is the permission for read, the second is permission for write, the third is create, and the fourth is for unlink or delete. If it is 0, the permission is renewed for this group or for this model to everyone. So in Odoo, here I am logging as Michelle admin, and when I take the education, he can read, write, and also he can delete this particular record. So, if I log in as dummer, he can also access the record student.student, the model student.student. Now, let's add the access of the model student.student to a particular group only. So let's move to PyCharm again. Then here we can create new file educationgroups.xml. Inside this file we can add new group, and also need to define the file inside the manifest security educationgroups.xml after the CSV file. Then let's move to Odoo. In the settings, you can see all groups or existing groups, and also from here we can create new group. And here the fields are application and name. The application name is category ID, and the name is also name. Then here this is from the model ir.module.category. That is we need to add a category for a group. So here I'm going to add the category access rights for this group. So let's create a new record. record ID equal to education group manager. Then the model Rus group. The model we can see Rus groups. We can define the field names here. Field name equal to name. The name will be education access. Category ID. We need to give the reference. So the category ID will be view metadata. From here you can see the XML ID. Copy this XML ID and paste here. Okay. So then run the PyCharm. The apps, upgrade the module. Then let's take our groups. Our new group is added here. Here you can add the users. Okay, I am adding Michelle admin and saving the record. Then we need to add this group to our ir.model.access.csv file. Here you can define the group ID. So copy this from, paste here, then run the PyCharm. So currently I am logged in as Michelle admin. You can see the record student.student. Then going to login as demo. For demo, the record of students no more visible. It is because the access we are denied the access through the security groups. So this is how to add the security groups and access rights to a model. Thank you for watching the video.